You spend about a third of your life unconscious, paralyzed, and defenseless. From evolution's point of view, that's a terrible idea. Any animal that could skip sleep should have outcompeted the ones that couldn't. Instead, every animal sleeps. So what makes it worth the risk? The old assumption was that sleep is the brain powering down, doing nothing. That's wrong. Slide a sleeping brain into a scanner, and it lights up, some regions busier than when you're awake. One of its night jobs is cleaning. All day, a busy brain leaves behind metabolic waste. As you sleep, its cells shrink, and fluid washes through the widened gaps, flushing that waste away. Among the trash is beta-amyloid, the same sticky protein that clumps up in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. Skip sleep, and that amyloid clears more slowly, a possible link between years of poor sleep and dementia. Cleaning is only half of it. While you sleep, the brain also sorts through your day. It replays the hours you just lived, choosing what's worth keeping and what to let go. The keepers move from fragile short-term memory into long-term storage. You literally file the day away. That's why a good night's sleep, after studying, beats an all-nighter cramming. And it isn't just the brain. Overnight, the body repairs tissue, builds muscle, and restocks the immune system. So sleep isn't a break from the day's work. It's a second shift the body can only run offline. Which is exactly why going without it wrecks you so fast. After one bad night, you're slower, foggy, moodier, and your immune defenses drop. Push further and it turns dangerous, hallucinations, and reaction times as bad as being drunk. In the lab, rats kept fully awake die within weeks. Sleep is not optional. There's even a rare human disease where the brain loses the ability to sleep, and it is always fatal. So we know sleep is non-negotiable, but here's the strange part, we still can't fully say why. Cleaning, memory, repair, all real, but none alone explains why the brain has to go dark to do them. Sleep only looks like nothing. It's the brain's night shift, clearing waste, filing memories, rebuilding the body, too vital to skip and still not fully understood. One night before a big exam, cram until dawn or study less and sleep a full 8 hours. Sleep usually wins, but why would doing less studying help you remember more? Tell me in the comments.